you want to highlight something, for example, in this document, multiple things need to highlight, highlighted or in this document, highlights here. Search on highlights, you can just select highlights, speed, or highlight. Just select it. So you will lots of other features which required into argument. Lots of advocate are using. I think every fifth advocate are using this application, and it's a very low cost, like 4,300 plus yearly subscription. Liquidics, and it can be installed on my. I have sent you. You upload it in the liquidtext. Upload option. You can just add whatever anywhere from the machine. It will be there. It will be uploaded here like that. Right? Now you will make the points which you are going to argue the matter in the court. Like for example, is evidence. Second, facts. Third is something which is there in this table. This